Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we will see how to recover Monopoly Go account. Hello. The first thing that you have to consider is that if you have played the Monopoly game as a guest, then there is no way you can recover your Monopoly Go account. But if you have signed in through your Facebook account or Apple account, then there are ways to recover your account. So let's begin. Simply tap on the menu bar which is on the top and click on the settings icon. Now tap on customer service option. Among the popular articles section, if you find how can I contact customer support option, then simply tap on it. If you do not find that, then in the search bar you have to type customer support contact. Now select the how can I provide feedback option and scroll all the way down till you find the chat with us option. Click on it, and in the chat section all you have to do is explain your problem to them. Simply tell the agent that you want to recover your Monopoly account, and after that several questions will be asked to you through the customer service of Monopoly account. Simply reply to their answers and provide the information as per need. And after following all these steps, you can simply recover your Monopoly Go account. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.